Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Inventive Tech, a channel dedicated to new ultimate gadgets and innovations. When it comes to choosing a good pocket knife, you always have to consider getting knives that can deliver the best performance. The knife has to be useful for the various functions other than just being portable. It might be able to skin an elk or cut fruit from a tree, but it'll also open your packages, slice off a hunk of cheese for a friend, or cut a loose string that threatens to unravel the whole sweater. And it doesn't need to be complicated, just convenient enough to bring everywhere. And of course, have a decent blade. In this video, we're going to talk about 7 pocket knives for your daily use, so make sure you watch the video to the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I guarantee you're going to like what I have in store. Let's get started. Number 7. Mesa. The Mesa Chef's Knife is an incredible knife at an honest price. With 40% more carbon, Mesa knives featuring AUS 10 Japanese steel now hold a sharp edge longer than ever. The complete knife set only costs a bit over $150, still lower compared to more expensive brands. With better steel, the Mesa knife is definitely sharper and longer lasting. The 15-degree blade angles offer a sharper cutting face than traditional knives. A set includes a chef's knife, serrated knife, paring knife, sentoki knife, and utility knife. Number 6. Kershaw's Copper Cinder. Kershaw's Copper Cinder is a stylish and practical keychain knife. This could be the easiest decision you ever make. Copper handle, non-threatening EDC blade, and a grip that fits any hand. A folding knife like the Cinder is a rare breed. Designed by Rick Hinderer, one of knife-making's greats, this compact folder isn't notable just because it's small. The real feat in design is the 3-finger grip that provides exceptional cutting power from the modified sheepsfoot blade. The Cinder has also a built-in bottle opener and a large elongated hole for keychain attachment. Number 5. Lyra. Lyra is a unique morphing EDC knife with the design goal of creating the smallest closed knife possible while still providing a full 4-finger grip. The Lyra is a step up in every way from the brand's first design, incorporating better materials, better finishes, and blade steel. There is much more intricate machining involved in this knife, and the complexity of the design along with its unique opening mechanism and shape lend for a really interesting and usable show price. It is in fact a very ergonomic and usable EDC knife despite its creative looks. Number 4. Kershaw 1670 BLK. The Kershaw 1670 BLK knife is a perfect knife for camping, outdoor adventures, or even home or work-related tasks. Its blade is made with Sonvik 14C 28N stainless steel and a strong tungsten DLC coating. That means the Kershaw knife will remain sharp even after years of repeated use. The blade and handle combined weigh only 4.2 ounces, and the locking liner and safe speed opening system contribute to its reliability. TrackTech inserts allow for an easy grip, and you don't have to worry about losing hold of the knife even in damp conditions. Number 3. The CRKT Squid Pocket Knife. The CRKT Squid Pocket Knife is a compact EDC folding knife designed by Lucas Burnley. The CRKT Squid knife will scare no one. It's modest in size and the drop point blade looks friendly. But don't be fooled, this knife can surely take a beating. A solid frame lock keeps the blade firmly in place in an open position. The knife easily opens with one hand. The hinges run a bit slowly, which some people like more than others. The deep carry pocket clip ensures that you can wear the knife deep in your pocket. Number 2. 288 Quickfire Knife. The 288 Quickfire is an assisted opening knife with ASAP technology. It has dual springs to provide an easy and safe blade release. The strong mid-lock design and rotating blade safety provide a durable locking strength in the open or closed blade position. The fast one-hand deployment makes this knife ready for any situation. Equipped with a reliable 420 HC blade steel and stylish steel reinforced handles, the Quickfire's knife is dependable and contemporary in design. Number 1. Katsu Handmade D2. The Katsu Handmade D2 is a Japanese-built knife. It is inspired by traditional bamboo blades from Japan. The handle of the handmade Katsu D2 is a genuine bamboo style. The blade itself measures 4.5 inches, with the total knife measuring 7.5 inches when the blade is opened. This double bevel blade is remarkably sharp, and it's not a tool for beginners, but those who appreciate craftsmanship. In total, this knife made of D2 steel weighs 95 grams, making it perfect for everyday carry. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Which of these knives do you like the most, and which have you found perfect for your daily use? Let us know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. With that being said, we'll see you in the next video.